In this video, we'll guide you on forwarding your calls on iPhone and Android. To begin, ensure call forwarding is set up on your iPhone. Navigate to the Settings app, then scroll down and locate the Phone option. Under the Calls section, tap on Call Forwarding and activate the toggle switch beside it. Once enabled, access the Forward to tab and input the desired phone number where you want calls forwarded. After adding the phone number, tap on the arrow in the upper left corner to return to the call forwarding section. On the other hand, for Android devices, follow these steps to forward calls. Open the phone app, tap on the three dots icon at the top right, and select Settings. Navigate to Calling Accounts under the General section. Tap on Operator-Related Settings and then select Call Forwarding. Choose Voice Call and allow a moment for the settings to load. Next, you'll see 4 options: Always Forward, When Busy, When Unanswered, and When Unreachable. Toggle the switch next to your preferred option and input the desired forwarding number. This video provides comprehensive instructions for call forwarding on both iPhone and Android devices. For more tech-related content, subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore our wide range of videos for additional enjoyment.